Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is devoted. It is pronounced de-vo-tid and spelt D-E-V-O-T-E-D. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Devoted is an adjective that means very loving or loyal. It is often used to describe someone who cares deeply about someone or something and is dedicated to their well-being or success. For example, you could say, the mother dog was devoted to her puppies, or the scientist was devoted to her research. The word devoted comes from the Latin word devovere, which means to vow or to dedicate. In the popular movie How to Train Your Dragon, Hiccup is devoted to his dragon, Toothless. He cares for Toothless, protects him, and even risks his own life to ensure Toothless' safety and happiness. Synonyms for devoted include loving, loyal, dedicated, faithful, and steadfast. Antonyms for devoted include disloyal, unfaithful, and indifferent. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, devoted. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.